You need to know how to create YouTube channels in 2026. Along with AI, these are the two professions that will ensure you a high and reliable source of income. I know the hardest part is getting started, so in today's video, we're going to see how to break each of the barriers that prevent you from having a successful YouTube channel. I'll give you a heads up that we'll use an AI that will create the videos for you without you having to record or edit anything, and another one with which will create thumbnails for free and unlimitedly, so that no matter your situation, whether you want to start a new project or improve the one you already have, you can start creating your successful videos. And as we always do on this channel, I'm not going to send you to watch a course or use paid tools. We'll do everything with completely free and unlimited AIs.
The choice really comes down to one thing. Do you control it, or does it control you? So, who exactly is this enemy inside?
So that just by watching this video until the end, you'll have everything you need to get started. Also, so you don't waste time writing, I'm leaving all the prompts and links to the tools we'll use today in a free PDF on the Discord in the description. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to get it. Alright, the first step is fundamental. It doesn't matter what the YouTube gurus tell you about how to create content. The most important thing is to make videos that provide value to users, whether it's entertainment or knowledge. If we find the right niche and make a good video, we have 80% of the work done. So, let's see the perfect method for the AI to find the best channel topics for us. And in a minute, I'll show you how to create the entire videos by pressing a single button. Here's the first barrier: finding a good idea. Before we start, we need the AI model we use to create the base of our content to be powerful. And since I know that when you're starting a project, it's complicated to have the money to pay for these models, I'm going to show you a trick to be able to use it for free, unlimitedly, safely, and legally. What we'll do is go to LM Arena. On the channel, I have a video uploaded where I explain better how it works, which I recommend you watch if you want to have access to all the AI models on the market. Once here, in the search engine, we'll use the most powerful ChatGPT model currently available, which would be this one. And here we'll put the following prompt. If you already know what you want to make your videos about, add it in this field so it gives you more results on that topic. And if you don't know, just leave it blank. The AI will return many ideas, and to help you choose, I've made sure that at the end, it also gives you a top of the best ideas. I recommend you read them all and look for which one is most similar to what you want to do. If you've already chosen your niche, let's move on to the next step. As you can see, the AI has returned some keywords. With these keywords, what we're going to do is paste them into YouTube and search for the videos with the most views that appear when we paste these keywords and that fit what we're looking for. We're going to save them all one by one. We're not going to copy entire channels or spam irrelevant content because our goal is for the AI to understand in what way and about what things it has to talk to generate successful content. We do this because what YouTube rewards is being original and providing more value than the rest. Outskill, the first ever AI-focused educational platform to accelerate AI learning for people like you and me. They're hosting the 2-day AI Mastermind training live this Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST on both days. And right now is the perfect moment to join because you can get in absolutely free as part of their New Year Upskilling Fest. This 16 hours AI training has already built 10 million plus AI-first professionals worldwide and is rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. People from marketing, finance, operations, product, and engineering join this, just because this is something which is not specific to any industry, but is now needed across every one of them. This is where you learn how to build AI agents that plan, write, execute, and report for you. Automate workflows that run even while you sleep. Connect tools like Sheets, Notion, CRMs, and email to create profitable systems. Use AI to save hours every week and get an unfair advantage at work. Not just that, you'll also learn how to profit from these skills. People from this very training have launched AI-powered services that bring in $2,000 to $3,000 weekly just by applying the systems they're taught. To kickstart your year, you also get premium lifetime bonuses like the AI Prompt Bible, the AI Profit Roadmap, your personalized AI Toolkit Builder, only if you attend both days. And here's the most interesting part. When you sign up, you'll get access to the 2026 AI Survival Hackbook, a comprehensive compilation of the upcoming AI shifts in 2026 and the practical steps you can take to be prepared. Seats are limited. Use the link in the description to join. P.S. Join the WhatsApp community to stay updated before the big blast. Once we have each of our chosen videos, we're going to go to NotebookLM. This is where all the magic will happen. Here, we'll create a new notebook by clicking on Create New. And in this panel, we'll upload all the YouTube links. And if you found websites on your own or have text that you think might be relevant, we'll upload them here, one by one. Once this is done, we'll click Insert, and the AI will begin to analyze each of our videos. What we're going to do is ask it to specifically analyze each of these videos and extract the storytelling pattern. so that we are able to create content that competes with the best channels in this niche. To do this, it will investigate what is the best and most common hook, that is, the introduction that all these videos apply in the first 10 to 15 seconds. What is the structure they follow to maintain the user's attention? What is the reward that these videos give the user? And 20 original video ideas that fit these patterns, where they give us the title, a 10-second introduction, the 6 bits that will be like the parts of the video, how we will structure it, and a reward for the user for watching our video.
NotebookLM will begin to analyze everything and will start giving us the answers, divided by sections so we understand it well. Alright, this is where we're going to break another very important barrier. Many channels get stuck here. You have a list of 20 videos, but you're not an expert on this topic. How are you going to correctly choose which is the best topic for your first video? For that, I've prepared another prompt for you, where we'll ask it to rank these 20 ideas following a series of patterns that it believes may be the best of them all. The result will be our top 5 best ideas, with a description of why and a score. This will make it much easier for us to choose which ones are good. In addition, it has the why very well explained, which helps you choose the best one more easily, even if you're not an expert in the sector. The important thing is to provide real value, not to create very beautiful, very well-edited videos that say nothing to the user. Once we have this done, we're going to search. You can do Ctrl F, copy the title of the video you've decided is your best one, and paste it or search for it manually in the list of 20. We're going to copy everything it gave us, that is, what the hook is, the bits, and the payoff. And if we look to the right, we'll have the video preview section. Here, with a couple of configurations, we'll get our video created in a few minutes without us having to edit anything. We're going to click on the pencil, and here we'll choose different things like the language, how we want the visual style to be, and what the video will be about. Here, we'll paste the information we copied before. You can choose any visual style you want, and once we have everything decided, we'll click Generate.
And that right there is the whole point. If your mind can be so easily tricked, it means it can also be trained.
But this doesn't end here, because when we have our video, it's very important that we make a series of configurations that increase the probability that our video will be successful. Let's start with the second thing the user will see after the thumbnail, and what will make YouTube understand what our video is about: the title. This is another very important barrier. Once people have finished creating their video, recording it, and editing it, they're a bit tired and don't leave time to create a top-quality title. I'm giving you a prompt where we'll paste the content that NotebookLM gave us, and it will create a series of the best titles that fit that video. And as before, it will give us a top so that any of these you choose will be good enough. I'm also leaving you another prompt where you'll do the same thing, and what it will return is a description for the video, making sure to inform YouTube what our video is about. Now let's move on to one of the steps that will define whether our video will be successful or not: the thumbnail. This is super important. Why? So that YouTube can analyze whether your video is good or not. It needs people to come in and watch it, and once it has the data on how long they stay on your video, how they react to your video, then it can recommend it more. But if we don't have a catchy thumbnail that makes people click, YouTube will never know if our video is good or bad. And since I know that creating thumbnails is a complicated skill if you've never done it before, we're going to use a free and unlimited AI to create it, and we'll give it the description from NotebookLM about the video. What it will do is return 6 thumbnail concepts that match what our video is about, and also that use all the techniques that make a thumbnail catchy. Once we have this ready, we're going to copy the result it gave us, go to the image section, and paste this prompt. And as you can see, it will generate an ultra-catchy thumbnail in a super simple and completely free way. Remember that to know how to use this platform well, I recommend you go to the video where we explain it more deeply. And well, with this, you have everything. You have a useful and catchy video, with which, even if you don't have an ultra-professional edition, it's good enough to provide value to people. You have a thumbnail that will ensure that people click frequently, and a title and a description that will help the video become known. With this, you have everything. You just need to dedicate time. And as I promised you at the beginning of the video, if you want to get the PDF with all the prompts we've used and the direct links to the tools, you just have to access the Discord in the description, go to the BotPDF channel, send a message to the bot, pass a link of the video you want to receive the PDF for, follow the steps, and you'll have your PDF completely free. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.